don't know how soon you're going to be able to hear her, but she's on it. All I hear is supercharger. There's 5th gear. Jesus Christ! Oh my God, was that loud? I wonder if she's coming back for me. Oh, now I can hear her. That house just turned its lights on. Probably gonna have to make a quick escape. That guy just came out of his house. Alright.
That was so much fun!
We might want to get out of here. That one guy just came out of his house.
Is this the road?
No, you gotta turn around.
Should I go down the road?
Yeah, keep going the way we were. So how fast was that?
140?
140? Mm-hmm. That was loud.
Was it?
Holy.
All of a sudden when I got going, all of a sudden there's a car behind me. I was like, fuck!